Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Alcatraz, the prison that no one could escape from. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is Alcatraz located in New York Harbor? No, it's in San Francisco Bay. Did Alcatraz start as a federal prison? No, it was originally used as a military fort. Was Al Capone one of Alcatraz's inmates? Yes, he was one of the most famous prisoners. Were the waters around Alcatraz warm and easy to swim through? No, they were freezing and had strong currents. Did any prisoners ever attempt to escape from Alcatraz? Yes, there were 14 escape attempts involving 36 men. Did Frank Morris and the Anglin brothers successfully escape and get caught? No, they escaped and were never found. Was Alcatraz closed because it was no longer needed? No, it was closed due to high costs and maintenance problems. Can people visit Alcatraz today? Yes, it's now a popular tourist attraction. Was Alcatraz designed for comfort and rehabilitation? No, it was designed to be strict and break the prisoner's spirits. Is the Birdman of Alcatraz a real person? Yes, Robert Stroud was known as the Birdman of Alcatraz. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.